just got done disbudding and tattooing a couple kids, because I've got 2 leaving tomorrow. And then Greg came up from taking care of goats tonight, and he said that Cookie wasn't eating. She was all hunched over. She was acting super weird. So my heart like dropped to my stomach, because it's the last thing I want to deal with right now, especially with a pregnant goat. So we ran to the store. I got some B complex. We're going to take her temp. I did get some glucose in case her ketones are low, but I can't even check those right now. I don't have a ketone meter here. But I'm thinking possibly pneumonia because of the huge drop in temperature that we've had here. After it was warm and raining, and then it was like 2 degrees here. So we're going to give her some B complex, and then I'm going to take her temp, and then possibly start a round of antibiotics to make sure that she's okay. I really don't like to give antibiotics, especially with a pregnant animal, but I also don't want to lose her or her kids. So we'll see. We'll see what her temp's like. Hi, baby. How you doing? Perfect temp. 102.5. That's perfect. 103 really. Okay. They should say I should give this intramuscularly. Great. I don't know. Penicillin. She's not coughing. She doesn't have a runny nose. She has no fever. I wanted to come out and check on Cookie. This next morning, Greg said that she was better today. Hi, Crunch. What are you doing? And I did check her out on. Is this camera blurry? I did check her out on the camera a few times this morning. She has eaten some hay. She's still shivering. Maybe she's just really cold. It is really cold. There's Cookie. Hi, baby. Are you okay? Oh, honey. I know you're not supposed to put jackets on goats. At least not where we live. It's best to keep them off because them shivering and fluffing their coat will make them get a puffier coat so they stay warmer naturally. But she looks so cold. She's moving around and active. So I'll keep an eye on her. I might give her, I don't know how often I can give her B complex, but we'll see if I have to give her more of that. My biggest concern is her aborting. So I'll keep an eye on that. I'm wondering, she's really not showing signs of pneumonia, which is kind of my first thought. She's really too young, and it's too soon in pregnancy to be having pregnancy ketosis, or pregnancy toxemia is what they call it. She's a first freshener, so it'd just be so weird if she did. And she's getting up and laying down with no issues, so I don't think it's that. I'm wondering if maybe she got head-butted. Oh, she's being so sweet right now. She's right there cuddling with Alder. I'm wondering if maybe she got head-butted really hard, which usually isn't a good sign. It means we definitely could lose kids. But you guys need some water? Hopefully she's just cold. I'm gonna open up toys. Check on them. I don't know what temp it is out, but it's 14 degrees. It just feels colder this morning. I guess I'm not dressed very well either. We've got 2 of the goats leaving today. So we've got Lone Star's single, and then Milky Way's buck is also leaving. They're going to the same place. So that's exciting. We've got 2 baby goats leaving. Watch out! You guys do need hay. And then 3 more to go. I think they leave in like 2 weeks. This year we're letting kids go on a bottle. 4 weeks preferably, but that little buckling's leaving at a week old. Oh! I just broke their door. Whoops. Whoopsies! I broke your door. Look at how handsome you boys are. Look at you. Come on out. So handsome. Hi. Look at that little tail wag. Come here, Rising. One thing we are probably not doing next year is having babies in December, January. I don't want to be milking. Hi, boys! What are you doing? I don't want to be milking goats this cold. It's really miserable. And I don't want to be taking care of babies in this cold again.